In this video, we are going to solve the question. In a population of 900, the number of married couples is as much as the number of singles. There are 100 twins of which 50 twins are singles. The population has 400 females in all. What is the number of married persons? And we are given 4 options. Here we take x to be the number of singles, and it is given that the number of married couples is as much as the number of singles. We are going to find the number of married persons. So we have the number of married couples is as much as the number of singles. That means the number of married couples is equal to the number of singles. And we know that a couple consists of two persons. Therefore, we can say that the number of married persons is equal to 2 times the number of singles. And we have taken that the number of singles is equal to x. So, this is equal to 2 into x. Also, it is given that the total population is 900. We can clearly say that singles and married couples constitute a population. So here we can say that the number of singles plus number of married persons is equal to 900, which implies x plus 2x equal to 900, which implies 3x equal to 900, which implies x equal to 300. Therefore, we can say that the number of singles is equal to x, that is equal to 300, and the number of married persons is equal to 2x, that is equal to 2 into 300, that is equal to 600. Therefore, our required answer is 600, that is, the number of married persons is equal to 600. So, the correct answer is option B.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 p.m. on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 a.m. Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.